Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to another episode of this free Apple Reminders course, where we'll be focusing on iPadOS support. In Apple Reminders, you can multitask with multiple instances to open the app twice. You can also split view the app with other apps that support multitasking. The app also supports slide over, which opens the app as a small window on the side of the screen. Apple Reminders supports dark mode, which automatically converts all the colors in the app for low light situations. Data detection recognizes numbers and emails. It does not recognize addresses if they're in your notes though. Apple Reminders has a widget that displays a list of your choice in 3 sizes. When you add a widget, you can choose the list you want to show on your home screen. You can check off items on your list without opening the app. Widgets don't display your subtasks though. To learn more about all of these features, you can go to our free course for the iPad. We have covered all these features extensively. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next episode.